Hi, I'm Rakesh.
And I'm Rajita, your host for Shaastrotsav' 2025.
Yes, it's time to get ready to witness a one-of-a-kind science and tech exhibition.
On November 28th at Hashemi Ballroom, Radisson Blu from 3 p.m. onwards.
Experience live virtual interactions through holograms. The future of communications is right before your eyes.
Also, experience the technical capabilities of industrial drones.
Mesmerizing on-stage robotic performances.
Thrilling Rubik Cube battles.
And guess who's our keynote speaker? He's an 11th grader, an AI prodigy, Raul John Aju, who's taking the tech world by storm. Main attractions of Shaastrotsav' 2025 includes industry exhibitions, technical workshops, networking sessions, schools and university science projects, build a robot competition. The grand prelude for Shaastrotsav' 2025 successfully took place on 28th April 2025 at Gulf University for Science and Technology. The keynote address was delivered by Deputy CEO of Kuwait Oil Company, Mr. Fahad Al-Karkawi.
So don't miss Shaastrotsav' 2025.
Save the date.
November 28th at Hashemi Ballroom, Radisson Blu from 3 p.m. onwards.
Entry is free.